Hi, this is Joel Valdivias with Intero Real Estate Services, and I'd like to welcome you to my brand new listing here at 22620 Hills Ranch Road in Nuevo, California. Let's take a look inside. This beautiful custom home built in 2007 features over 2,000 square feet of living space, 3 beds, 2 full baths, and a bonus room. The home features an open floor plan that leads directly into the large living room that has a spectacular fireplace. The master suite features a large bathroom with dual sinks, tile shower, and a jetted tub. After taking a look inside this beautiful home, if you would like to see it for yourself, give me a call today at 760-490-5827. And remember, Joel's got the keys for all my real estate needs.